eyes are blurry. Hi guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name is Meg. I post Pilates workouts on YouTube and share lifestyle content on being a dancer in New York and being a Pilates instructor and just what it's like to be in New York City. So if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe, hit the thumbs up button on this video. All right, so what are we doing today? We are doing an unboxing, a little review video of this product. So this company, Everyfun, reached out to me and wanted to send me this massage gun to try because they know I'm a dancer. I work out a lot because, you know, workout videos and Pilates. So it's actually really perfect because I'm very sore from working out earlier this week. So I've been looking forward to making this video. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's see what's inside. So it comes in a little case. Immediately opening, this is what it looks like. So here is the actual massage gun. It's a good size. It's not too heavy. Seems like it has a lot of angling so that you can do your back. It has one rounded head, another like squishier, little bouncier head, one of these guys, 3, and just like a straighter, more targeted piece, and one more of these. I'm guessing that this one's for like your shoulders here, so that if you don't want to use one of these like super targeted ones. I have no idea what this is, but we will figure it out. And it also comes with a charger, which is nice. A little baggie and instruction manual. They sent me a smart version. I'm guessing you just pop it in here. Oh, okay. So this is level 1. It has 5 gears. Oh, it's nice. I think it's always funny to watch on camera people using massage guns because you can literally see the weird ripples. And it's pretty quiet. Not super loud. Oh, that's nice. My traps are so sore. 5, apparently this is the smart version. So the more pressure you add, the more intense it gets. Oh, that's interesting. Okay, so I don't know if you can tell. The more you press, the more intense it gets, and then when you release it, it gets a little bit slower. Funsies! Let's go ahead and go to the part of the video where we actually use it. So let's go over to the gym area. Okay, so here we are in the gym area. We're gonna try the gun. Okay, so after playing around with it for a little bit, I think I prefer the gear 2 or 3. The 4s and the 5s get a little intense for me, and 1's a little bit light. So, okay, so I'm gonna go with the gear 2 and then just massage out my glutes right now because I'm very sore there. You hold it to turn it on and the lights will show you the number, and then this is gear 2. Come try?
Yeah, sure.
Everyone, this is Dennis, my boyfriend.
Okay.
If you've seen him in our TikToks, he is the star, always.
Yeah, please. Ooh. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Wow.
It retails for $129.99, which is...
Oh, that's worth.
Yeah, it's worth. It's just as good as our Theragun, which you bought for how much? 400, 500. But let me show you guys the difference. The sound. Okay, so here's our like actual Theragun that we got and paid lots of money for. This one only has 2 settings, and honestly the high one is a little too much for me. Dennis likes that one, but I can only handle the first. But the noise difference.
Well, that's the other version though. They have a new version now.
Dennis said this is the older version. The newer ones are a little bit more quiet, but still. Versus this. Different. But I really like this one. They did provide me with a discount code, I believe. So once I find that, I will put that in the description box below. Yeah, I think it's a really great, affordable purchase if you want to look for a massage gun for, let's say, your mom, your dad. If Theragun is a little too out of your budget. Overall, I really, really like this. I think it's well worth your money.
Good.
First impression is very, very good. What do you think?
Oh, you just gotta try it, right?
Yeah.
You've used ours for hours for almost 2 years now, and it's still held up.
Yeah.
I don't know. This plastic, metal parts, they can always be rather break easily, so we'll see.
Yeah. Okay, so that is the end of this review unboxing video for this massage gun. I hope you guys enjoyed it and that you found it helpful. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, and I will see you guys all in the next video.